Welcome to Nageskar's Orchid School channel. Myself Hina Patel, going to teach you 7th grade mathematics. Already we had started with the Pythagoras Theorem. We will see some more example and how is application of an Pythagoras Theorem. So we will see today some example related to the right angle triangle and we will see the Pythagoras Theorem. So we are having a triangle here as an ABC is the triangle. We can see here a triangle ABC, right angle at C. In the question only it is given, it is at the right angle at C, means it is a 90-degree angle at C. If AB is equal to 25 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter, find the BC. So we had done the rough figure and just we have to find out AB, then AC and BC, and we have to substitute the values of the length which is given to us. So what are the steps to prove the Pythagoras theorem? So given we know that AB is equal to 25 centimeter, AC is equal to 7 centimeter, and let the BC be in x centimeter. Here hypotenuse is given to us and one of the leg of a right angle length is given to us. So we have to find out the second length of a right angle triangle. So we know that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus and perpendicular square, that is nothing but this is the side that is known as perpendicular square, that is BC. So what is hypotenuse? Is given as AC square plus AB square plus AC square plus BC square. So we know what is the length of AB is already given to us is 25 centimeter. So we write as 25 square is equal to AC square is 7 square plus we have to find out BC square. So we write as x square. Now this equation it is very easy to solve. So first what we will do? We will find out the square of 25. If you don't know, we have to multiply that 25 multiplied by 25. But most of the students know that what is the square of 25. It is a 625 is equal to 7 square is 49 plus x square. Now this equation you can solve this very easily taking a variable to the left hand side. So x square is equal to 625 minus 49 is equal to 576. Then we have to find out the square root of the 576. Then x is equal to square root of 576 by, I told that you can find out it by an prime factorization method. So it is a 24 centimeter. Thus the length of BC is a 24 centimeter. What is the length of BC? BC is 24 centimeter. Already it is given, all lengths are given in centimeter. So we have to find it in centimeter. My dear student, just we have to use an Pythagoras theorem and we have to substitute the values whatever the length is given to that right angle triangle and one of the side we have to find out by writing as any variable that is an x. We will see one more example. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12 meter high from the ground. On the placing it against the wall at a distance A, find the distance of a foot of the ladder. Suppose this is a wall, which is the wall distance we have to find. This is a ladder, this is a wall. What distance the ladder is away from the wall? Again I will read the question. A 15-meter long ladder, this is a 15-meter long ladder, reached a window as a 12 meter. This is a 12 meter where we are having a window here at a 12 meter height from the ground. This is a ground we are considering. This is the base, that is a ground. On placing it against the wall, against means opposite to the wall, we are placing this a ladder at a distance A. We don't know, so we have to find out what will be the distance. The distance from wall to the ladder, that is we have to find out it, we are writing as A. Find the distance of a foot of the ladder from the wall. The foot means the base of a ladder, so we have to find this distance. Now you know it is by seeing the figure, which is rough figure, it is as right angle triangle, so we have to use Pythagoras theorem, so it will help us to find out the steps of this. So let AC be the ladder. So we are considering a rough figure. Already the figure is given here, so I had explained you. We are considering AC as a ladder and A be the window. So this will be the point A will be the window. So given AC is given to us as 15 meter and AB is given to us 12 meter and CB we have to find out, which will be again in a meter. So in right angle triangle ACB, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus a perpendicular square. So what will be the hypotenuse? Is AC square is equal to CB square plus AC square. So what is AC square is 15, already it is given in the figure. So we write as a 15 square is equal to, we don't know CB, so we write as A square plus 12 square. So finding out the square of this 15, what is the 15 square is 225 is equal to A square is as it is because we have to find out plus what is the square of 12 is 144. Now if you get this equation, it is easy to find out taking the variable to the left hand side. So AC square is equal to 225 minus 144, which is an 81. After subtraction we get as 81. So here we are getting A square is equal to 81, but we know we want only as A. So A is equal to square root of 81 is equal to 9 centimeter. So we can say that CB is equal to 9 centimeter. The ladder is away from the wall by 9 meter. It is mistake here. It is a 9 meter. So in this way we can find out the distance of the unknown, which is given. The one of the leg of right angle was not given, just we had find out the value of it. So in this way, by using the Pythagoras theorem, we have tried to find out the length of an unknown side. Now we will see one more example. Which of the following can be the side of right angle? Already you know the properties of the right angle triangle now. So 2.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Now we have to use a Pythagoras theorem and we have to find out which will be the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. So let us consider the large side be the hypotenuse and also using a Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So what is given to us? We will see one example which we have drawn the rough figure. The 2.5 centimeter is given, 6.5 centimeter is given and 6 centimeter is given. These are the three length of a side of a right angle triangle is given to us. In triangle ABC, this is a rough figure which we had, by seeing the length we had tried to find out the right angle, that is a triangle ABC. In that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So what is LHS, that is left hand side, that is 6.5 square. What is AC is given to us as 6.5 square is equal to, I told it is square, so we have to multiply it 2 times. 6.5 multiplied by 6.5 we get as 42.25 centimeter. So what will be RHS? RHS is nothing but right hand side, that is AB square and BC square. So what is AB square is we have taken as 6 centimeter, 6 square plus what is BC is 2.5 centimeter. So we are writing 2.5 square. So 6 square you know is 36 plus 2.5 multiplied by 2.5 we get as an 6.25 is equal to 42.25 centimeter. Since LHS is equal to RHS, the value of the LHS, that is left hand side of this equation, is equal to right hand side of this equation. So therefore the given sides are of a right angle. So right angle lies on the opposite of a greater size of 6.5 centimeter, that is at B. So whatever we had done from figure, it satisfies. So right angle means 90 degree lies on opposite side of an AC, that is 6.5 centimeter. So in this way, the whatever the measurement was given to us, we had just have a rough figure and we have tried to plot that measurement and we had applied the Pythagoras theorem. We will see some more example. Here we are having, so 2 centimeter, another is given as 2 centimeter and one of the side is given as 5 centimeter. So we will see here in the given triangle, 5 square is equal to 2 square plus 2 square. How it is? Because we are using a Pythagoras theorem. So LHS is equal to 5 square is 25 square is equal to RHS is given as 2 square plus 2 square. So what is the square of 2? Is 4. Square of 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Is the LHS and RHS are equal? No. So we are writing that LHS is not equal to RHS. So therefore the given sides are not of a right angle triangle. The given sides are not of a right angle triangle. So we can't construct a right angle triangle by given measurement. We will see third example, that is 1.5 centimeter is one of the length, another length is 2 centimeter and third side of a length is given as 2.5 centimeter. Now we have to go for a rough figure, that is in a triangle PQR, triangle PQR, PR square means hypotenuse square is equal to sum of these side squares. These are the one and this is another side. So sum of this means we have to add the side square is PQ square plus RQ square. So we will try to find out what is LHS, that is PR. PR is given as a 2.5 centimeter. So we will find out the square of that 2.5 centimeter is equal to multiply 2.5 multiplied by 2.5, or we can think in a mind that 25 square is 625. But we are having a decimal here, so we have to leave 2 digits and we have to put a decimal point. So it is 625 centimeter. And what is RHS? RHS, which we are having as PQ square plus RQ square. So what is the value of PQ? Is 2 square plus RQ is 1.5 square. So we can write 2 square plus 1.5 square, or we can write 1.5 square plus 2 square, because it is a sum, so the total will be the same. So what is 1.5 square is 2.25. I told again you can multiply 1.5 multiplied by 1.5 will give us 2.25 plus 2 square is 4. So it will be, the sum of this will be 6.25 centimeter. Can you see that LHS is equal to RHS? So what is LHS? Is 6.5 centimeter and RHS is also 6.25 centimeter, and here was RHS is 6.25 centimeter. So since we can say LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the given sides are of right angle triangle. So, right angle lies on the opposite to the greater side, that is 2.5 centimeter. Which is the right angle? It is at cube, which should be at 90 degree. So, we can say that what is the opposite to the hypotenuse is an angle cube, which is at 90 degree. So, which satisfy an right angle triangle property. We will go for next example. That is, a tree is broken at a height of 5 meter from the ground and its top touch the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. Because this is a statement given to us, we will go for one rough figure so it will be more easy to understand. So, a tree is broken at a height of a 5 meter. Suppose this is a tree which is broken at the height of a 5 meter. So, it's broken as, see, that is a 5 meter from the ground. This the base is AB is nothing but an ground which is a base. And its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter. Top which will be the touches the ground at the distance. Means when it is just bent, it touches at the distance of 12 meters. So we write as A and we have given as A dash. So we will consider that let A comma, that is CB represents the tree before it's broken. So CB, I told that CB which will represent before the tree is broken as at A. So at the point C and let the top A dash touches the ground at A. So when it gets broken, it will just fall on the ground at the distance at the point A. After the then triangle ABC is an right angle triangle at B. So this was given us the distance, the tall tree, height of a tree was given us, and where it was broken down, that is also given to us. So we have to find out the broken at a right angle at B. So we have made as right angle at B, that is 90 degree. Now we can find out the values, that is the length of a triangle which is already given as a rough figure. We will substitute the values there and we will use the Pythagoras theorem and we will solve. So AB is equal to 12 meter. So AB is equal to 12 meter. BC is equal to 5 meter. So this is already given in the question that BC is 5 meter. So using the Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, that AC square plus AB square plus BC square. So what is AC square? Is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. This is nothing but as AC is nothing but it is a hypotenuse of an right angle triangle. Just we have to find out the length of an hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to, what is the square of 12 is 144. This 5 square is 25. Do the sum of this. So AC square is equal to 169. The square root of 169, that is AC is equal to 13 meter. It is 13 meter. What it is here? AC square, but we want AC because we are having all here as an AB and BC. So we have to find out as a AC is equal to 13 meter. Hence the total height of a tree is equal to AC plus CB is equal to 13 plus 5 is equal to 18 meter. What was the height of a tree? Original height of a tree was an 18 meter. So just read the word problem and find out the rough figure for it and find the values, which value we have to remove and use the Pythagoras theorem when it is a right angle triangle. We will see one more example here. The angles Q and R of a triangle PQR are 25 degree and 65 degree respectively. Means what? Angle Q is equal to 25 degree and angle R is equal to 65 degree. Write which of the following is true. We have to find out here, given 1, 2, 3 the equations are given, we will have to find out which is true. PQ square plus QR square is equal to RP square. Here the triangle is given to us, that is PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. PR is nothing but here, or RP, or PR or RP is nothing but here it is, we are in this equation it is hypotenuse. So we will find out by substituting the values here in triangle PQR, angle PQR plus angle QRP plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. It is nothing but the angle sum property. We had learned in the previous class what is angle sum property. So what is angle Q? Angle PQR is 25 degree plus QRP is 65 degree plus we don't know the angle RPQ, so we have written as RPQ is equal to 180 degree. Do the sum of this is 90 degree plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. So angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. So now we know what is the angle, that is angle P is 90 degree. Thus in triangle PQR is a right angle triangle, the right angle at P. Here now we have to go for an imaginary right angle as right angle triangle where P will be the 90 degree. So by using a Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square by Pythagoras theorem. So QR square is equal to PR square plus QP square. Now you know the values, so hence the options first and second are correct. So here also we had find out in this, so we can say that both the options are correct because which will follow the Pythagoras theorem. We will see one more example. Here you might be finding some rectangular shape. Find a perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and the diagonal is 41 centimeter. What is a perimeter? You know the sum of all sides are nothing but perimeter. Given diagonal is PR is 41 centimeter as the length and PQ is given as 40 centimeter as a length. So now let the breadth be BQR be the X. We can take any alphabet as a variable. So we have to find out the breadth as an X. So now in the right angle triangle PQR is right angle at angle Q, that is 90 degree. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse is equal to side plus side square. So what is hypotenuse? Is 41 square is equal to, we don't know one side, so we have written as x square plus one of the side is PQ is given as 40 square. So we will find out the squares of 41 square is 1681 is equal to x square plus 1600. So we have to go for the sum of this 1600. The x square is equal to 1681 minus 1600, because just you know that RHS transversal property here we had transposition, here x square we had taken in the left hand side, so this will get as subtracted. So x square is equal to 81. So x is equal to square root of 81 is 9 centimeter. So therefore the breadth of a rectangle is 9 centimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 inside the bracket L plus B. Already you know it is nothing but sum of all the sides of an rectangle. But we are using this formula, so it will be more easy to substitute and find out the perimeter. So 2 inside the bracket, what is the length? Is 9 centimeter plus breadth is given as 49. So 2 into 49 is equal to 98 centimeter. Hence the perimeter of a rectangle is 98 centimeter. In this way we have find out the perimeter of a rectangle. So we will go for some more example which will help you to find out. Here we are having a figure as a rhombus. So diagonals of a rhombus measures 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. One of the diagonal is 16 centimeter and one of these 30 centimeter. Find its perimeter. So given diagonals as AC is equal to 30 centimeter and DB is equal to 16 centimeter, which is already given in the question. So since the diagonals of the rhombus bisects at a right angle, now you can see which is right angle, bisects at right angle. So we can write therefore OD is equal to OD is equal to DB upon 2, the half of DB, or you can say BD, both are same, half of DB. So we write what is DB is given to us is 16, one of the diagonal is given as 16, 16 divided by 2 is 8 centimeter. Similarly, we can go for this OC is equal to half of AC. So we write as AC upon 2, which is 30 upon 2 is equal to 15 centimeter. So in this right angle triangle, DOC is equal to DC square plus OD square plus OC square. So DC square is equal to, what are the values given as 8 square plus 15 square. What is the square of 8 is 64. 15 square is 225. Sum of these is 289. So what will be the square root of 289 is 17 centimeter. So perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 into side. So 4 multiplied by what is DC? Now we got all the sides, that is multiplied by 17 is equal to 68 centimeter. Thus the perimeter of rhombus is 68 centimeter. In this way we had completed the Pythagoras theorem with some example. So my dear student, just try to solve textbook example and try to use a Pythagoras theorem so you can find out the unknown side by using a Pythagoras theorem. Thank you very much.